Decentralized masters cost way less than what most people lose on their first bad crypto trade. But here's what shocked me. Some members made back their investments in the first week. Let me break down the real numbers. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of Decentralized Masters. Link to this will be in the description of the video. It positions itself as a comprehensive educational platform that is designed for every stage of a DeFi journey. Now, with the prices that are ranging from $47 to $70,000, this tiered structure is ensuring the accessibility for both the beginners that are exploring alternatives to the traditional banking, while also offering the advanced strategies for those that are seeking wealth preservation and institutional level opportunities. Now, each level, guys, of the program is actually tailored that allows the participants to access only the knowledge and the mentorship that they are requiring without the unnecessary cost. So the investment breakdown highlights its affordability compared to the conventional education. Now, at just a fraction of a university finance degree, okay, and that often less than what the traders lose chasing a single meme coin. Okay, the Decentralized Masters presents itself as a high value option. Now, that is one thing that you really need to check out. The payment plans further increase accessibility, which makes the entry possible for more individuals. Now, of course, you gotta make sure that you're always doing your own research, and that is the reason why I always make sure to put all the links in the description of the video, guys. I will also put the link of their link tree. That way you would be able to get here and then just go ahead and click on it, and it will take you directly to whichever website you need to go to. And they also have their social media platforms here. I would strongly suggest that you also make sure to follow all those platforms. That way, when they have updates, announcements, airdrops, giveaways, anything and basically everything about the project, you will always be informed. So the ROI reality check underscores that reported portfolio growth of 5 to 10x among the members, alongside the early access to coins that are poised for that 100 to 1000x growth. Now that is outstanding, guys. An example of that is a token that delivered a 1150x, moved on native markets, and is presented to illustrate how a single timely entry could pay for a lifetime of access. 1150x. Imagine that. Now, the program's inclusions add the weight to its offering, guys. One-on-one mentorship valued at over $500 per hour for the CFA level consultants. The research from a 90-plus analyst team that hedge funds pay millions for lifetime updates with evolving strategies, and a full suite of the educational tools that you will be able to utilize. Now, finally, guys, the hidden cost of not joining is emphasized, right? So continuing to buy tops on Coinbase, missing the 2025 bull run's greatest gains, and staying trapped in a system where inflation erodes the savings while crypto opportunities explode. So guys, again, you have to check this one out. A link to this will be in the description of the video. Opportunities like this don't wait. All right, Decentralized Masters gives you the tools, the mentorship, and the market access to get ahead of the next big crypto move. So hit the links below and see how you can start today. If you are new to the channel, guys, hopefully you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.